Guys, welcome first of all, and thank you very much to choosing this art form and being with us today here to learn this very unique art form, which is easily going to be the future of our industry. And first of all, let me introduce myself to you. I am Kamaljit Singh, and I represent Ether Artistry. So let me just try to introduce to you like what about myself and what you will be learning in this entire course. So and how this all began, how this all process, how the journey of table making process began, and uh, why it is necessary that you have to learn from us, because there is a history behind that. I'm going to just quickly explain to you, and then we'll just move forward with the course. So as we know, we deal with unique forms. It may be in the forms of art or literature or in any other things. Ether artistry, it is just dedicated to learning something new and unique, which is like not which is not experimented before. So now at present we are doing a lot of other stuff also, we are working on fused glasses and a lot of other things, ceramic art, a lot of other forms also. So this resin thing, this resin table, epoxy resin table, this was introduced to us by a friend like 4 years back. Our friend, he is a club owner from Goa. We are basically from Goa. So this art form, this fascination, this table was introduced to us by our friend, who is a big club owner in Goa. So like we were doing some events for him, and during that process he just introduced to us about this new kind of stuff. He just showed us this kind of beautiful table, obviously on the Google and from the YouTube thing. So once we saw this thing and we just were fascinated by the looks of it, the beauty of it, and then he just said we have to do something like this, because he knew that we are into trying unique things, something different. We are just fascinated to do all this, which is kind of difficult for a normal mind to do. So because we have a background of art and imagination, and we try a lot of different other stuffs. We are doing art and everything, and this resin thing, which previously we used to use for art, and also to like everybody knows, this resin is used for making ornaments and for coating the art surfaces and all. So our knowledge about the resin thing was just here, but then this something new came, they said something about epoxy and this and that. It was very confusing, and due to our busy schedule, like we are in Goa, so we are all the time we are busy with some events and every other things. There is no off season in Goa. We are always in some kind of events all the time. So that time we didn't have so much time. We just saw this thing and I was fascinated. Oh, good! It's something good. I saw some YouTube things and all. They make a mold and they just pour some liquid, and it seemed very easy to me. And but we didn't give so much of our mind to it. So because we were like preoccupied with all our different things. So after some times, a friend of mine from UK, she is also a very good artist, and she is our partner also. She also told me about this a new art form which is come, which is like very big in USA and Europe and all these countries. So she just told us to try this thing, like just have a look in what is this. It's just some resin thing they use, and they kind of do this furniture or the other sort of projects. Just you have to understand this concept and you have to try these things. So still then we didn't give so much of thought to it. So the friend of the club owner, friend of us, he just gave us a concept. He just told us, he just visited Europe, and he just saw this thing, and he just was so much into it that he said, just do this thing, let's do this thing. Somehow I want this table to be done. I said, we don't know about it, whatever. So he said, no, we'll try something. Just do a research on it and just try. We'll just do something. Then me and my brother, we went to our local market, local stores and all, and we started inquiring about this epoxy thing, epoxy resin, which then we didn't know anything about. We thought it would be something very simple, just have to go to a store and just get this liquid stuff, this chemical, and obviously there will be some instructions, and then we'll follow the YouTube thing and we'll just get that thing done. What is the thing? We just have to place woods inside and just pour this thing, and then we'll just figure it out. We just thought like that. But then we went to all the stores, everything, nobody knew about this. They gave us a lot of other stuff which I'll be explaining to in detail in our in the further processes. But they gave us something, some kind of chemicals, like 2 parts. You have to add these 2 parts and you'll just get. We showed the video. So he said, no, this is this thing. Just mix these 2 parts and you'll get this thing very simply. They gave us the resin which is industrial use, which is not what we'll be discussing. That was a basic thing, because this resin thing is used in a lot of other stuff. Like it's a versatile thing. So even before starting these projects and all, this resin thing was used in industrial things. Like it was used in making the fiber glasses and all, the boat making process, and to do plastics and to do the industrial equipments and all, because it is very heat resistant, and it is like highly resistant to the outer environment, and it is chemical also. The resistance of chemical to it is like very too much. It is very much chemical resistant also, and also it was previously used in flooring. So doing the flooring, the coating of the flooring, this same thing, this resin thing, which epoxy, which we'll be talking about, this was used in doing the flooring and all, and for paintings and all, painting of the ships and all, which could be corroded with the environment and with water and all. It is also used in doing the aeroplane parts, because it is like really very hard thing, and it is lighter compared to the other, like if you to iron and all, it is lighter compared to other stuff, other metal or material. So it is very good to do all this kind of stuff. So this is used in a lot of other, even to make the plastics, even when we make our plastic bottles, everything. This is a kind of resin, because resins are like there are like, according to me, there are more than 250 kinds of resin, and this is just with my knowledge. There are like every day there is something or the other coming up. Even the plastic, even the equipment that we use in our kitchen and all, the plastic that we see, that is actually a form of resin only. Even it is used in daily product like such as plastic chairs and like everything else. So this is an entirely different topic. This resin thing is a totally different, it's a very vast topic. If you go to look at the chemical things, everything, it is totally different. It will be too much knowledge. So we didn't understand all these things, but we were focused on just getting that thing, which looks like a watery thing, transparent thing. We were asking that thing, but that thing nobody knew, and they said, no, this is not this thing, this is not available here. So whatever we got, we just got it home. We mixed both the things which were given to us. One was the hardener and one was this resin thing. This is now before even we knew about this. So they gave us, and this was kind of burnt oily color, dark brown color thing, which was not transparent. So we mixed this both together in the ratio which they told us. So much of this thing and so much of this thing. We just mixed this both together, and it was just like, it was a disaster. It just really heated up. It just like it was, and we obviously put some flowers to it, because obviously our teacher was YouTube. So we made a mold as in a mold, pre-made mold, which was like the mold, which silicon mold, a simple mold, and we just put this thing, this liquid, this chemical thing inside, and we just put some flour inside, and the flour got burned. Everything was a disaster. So and it was all brown. This is what we got. This is our like first try. It was many years ago. So we just kept it. So this is not the resin, whatever that we'll be talking to you about. This was a totally different thing, and we put some flowers inside, if you can see. So this flower, everything got burned, and it just was a disaster. It just didn't work. So we went to our friend again, and we said, this kind of material is not available here. So and because we just wanted to get rid of that thing, because we didn't really have time to do that. Although it was like very fascinating, but we had other work to do. We were like preoccupied with other stuff also. So we just I just told my friend, it is not available here. It is available in the other parts of the world, but not in India. Just to get rid of this idea for now. After some days, what happened? My friend was so much into it that he arranged for good woods, like good expensive wood. He just finished the wood which he wanted to do a table of, and he ordered it from China or from Alibaba or somewhere. He just ordered this liquid that we'll be discussing, this resin. He ordered from China very in bulk, huge quantity, and he just called us and he just said, see, I ordered, this is that thing, and this is the wood, now do it. So then we didn't have any option to deny him also. There was no excuse also. So I know it was very expensive. The resin is very expensive compared to other resin. Our resin, which is the clear resin, which we'll be talking about, is very expensive than the normal one. So I know it was expensive thing, and I knew I didn't have any idea about what we are getting into. I didn't know anything. So we took that thing, and then we started doing our research, because obviously we had to build everything from scratch and without any idea. Only YouTube was our teacher. Then we started doing research. We started asking people, went online. We just saw for people who can teach us. They were like 4 years back, there was nothing. There was absolutely nothing in India regarding this. So like everything, we just tried small molds, how to do the molds. We didn't know what material that is used to do mold, because we just had to we had to rely on the names that they use. Even the material which is used to make molds, we didn't know the name about it. We didn't know whether it was wood or plastic or how this thing works. We didn't know anything. It's like zero. We didn't know anything. At least today you will be knowing something or the other. Like you must have heard or must have seen YouTube and everything. Today you will be like more educated than us, like how we were before. So we didn't know anything at that time, because even the videos were very limited. It is not like now. There are like 5-6 channels. They were like American channels which were showing this thing, and that was also not in detail. So we just saw that thing, and we started experimenting. And with experimenting, we didn't know what wood to use, whatever. We didn't know anything. We just saw we have to do something. We don't know how to stick the mold. What is needed to stick, to make the stick. We didn't know anything about sealing the sides, which is very important. We didn't know what wood to use. So we just went to experiment, because this wood was expensive. The wood that our friend gave was very expensive. So we just went and just got any jungly wood, which was a wood. We just got that wood and we just kind of did a mold. We didn't know how to seal it, everything. We just thought it is just simple. You have to just glue it together and in a certain way. Just looking at the YouTube, and we just placed the wood inside, and we just poured a small quantity of it. We didn't know how to calculate how much. We didn't know anything. So that thing we did, and it was a disaster again. and most of that resin it just poured out because we didn't know the details of it. Most of the resin is just spilled out because it was not sealed properly. It spilled out, everything was a waste. Just imagine a lot of resin was like it just went on our flow, everything, and it just spoiled our flow also. It was just a disaster. It was a thing that I can't even explain. Obviously, the project didn't turn out, it didn't happen only. The project was like a disaster, it didn't happen.